Hi there, this is Alex from RealEyes Displays. I'd like to show you a touchscreen display that we make for donor recognition. This can be used for colleges, hospitals, any kind of foundation that receives donors and would like to recognize them and allow them to tell their story. We create a beautiful, interactive way for them to do so. I'll walk you through some of the menus here right now. What you're looking at is what we call the idle screen. This can be a video, a campaign video of some kind, a simple looping slideshow like a screensaver when the screen is not being touched, like this one here. And when you touch anywhere within it, it brings you to the main menu. What we often do, especially for public clients, is put the main navigation across the bottom. That allows us to stay ADA compliant, so folks in wheelchairs or other disabilities can easily interact with all the menus within the screen. Beyond donor recognition, there's a lot more that you can do with a touchscreen display. So within this, you're going to see information about live news, interactive quizzes, other things that you can do to tie in the entire experience of what organization that you are. And we help walk you through that whole process. For this particular college, it's important for them to show their points of pride. All of our displays are multi-touch displays, so you're going to see a lot of swiping, a lot of action, a lot of the stuff that keeps your attention, much like your smartphone. We can incorporate full HD videos within the screens as well. We have the sound turned off. Showing history information with looping slideshows as well. Showing different board members that you can swipe through. And of course, what wouldn't be complete for a donor recognition board without the actual donor lists of information? You can have thousands or even a couple of people within this display board, all sortable, and it's all interactive as well. So the nice thing is that when you touch on a name, not only could you just give some standard information about the person, but within these menus, when you touch on a list, we can incorporate video, text, pictures, audio, a lot of other types of things, even PDF documents that people can swipe through. We also have full searching capabilities as well. So if you were going to look up a name, even just by a couple of letters, it will automatically find them and show them which category they're in as well. Oftentimes within donor recognition, you want to recognize major donors, or you want major profiles of somebody. This allows you to swipe through full donor information. In other screens, we'll also show you that you can expand this, and that's where you can show a full bio information or story, or show a video right within a person's profile as well. For this college, they wanted to tell people what their money went towards. So they show the teachers that were involved, the students that received funding. They create full profiles about the students and how it was used and how they received the funding. If someone is interested, the idea that we're trying to convey is we want to capture this experience and motivate people to write in and tell you how they can give to your foundation. Interaction is key, and this is a great way to measure your success by receiving emails directly from the display of people that are touching through the menus. We can also log every single touch within every single button, allowing you to see which menus receive the most attention and create reports from that point. As I mentioned, all of our screens are multi-touch, so if you wanted a video gallery like this is a very simple one. You can touch on the picture. I can use 2 fingers and I can make this picture larger or smaller. You can showcase students' work by doing this as well. Here's more information. Here's an expandable profile, as I mentioned. And from here, we also have a built-in college fact quiz. This can be set and it's all updated online. So if I give a name, it will go through and we can go through the quiz and it will give me a score, or I can just exit right out if I'm done with it. Finally, to show campus information, this college has a wonderful online Google Calendar. We can link directly to that so users can touch and see information that's going on around campus in the full view. We could also pull in different RSS feeds if you wanted to show a day's worth of events, or pull in a calendar feed of only a week's worth of events. Live weather is something that's expected for almost all digital displays. We can do this up to, I believe, 15 days or more of content and weather and other information. What we want to do is tie in as much information as you can, allowing the entire screen to be branded, constantly allowing people to consume your content from any place that they are. We work with all styles, logos, any information to match your style perfectly throughout the whole process. Creating a display like this is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You help us with a bullet pointed guide. We walk you through a touchable tree from that point, and then we create mock-ups so that you're aware of how the screen is built through the whole process. Give us a call sometime. Let us create your donor recognition board for any type of recognition you are looking to do. Alex from RealEyes Displays, thank you very much.